Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can fix the task count or completed tasks not showing issue in the Todoist mobile application. So let us begin. Alright guys, so if you for example are in your Todoist app and you don't see any of your completed tasks in your calendar, for example, that may be because you accidentally may have disabled that feature. So let me show you how to fix this. So you may tap into browse in the bottom right corner, and here for example you will see that completed button. Tap into it and that is going to redirect you for example to your activity log. Now to fix this, tap into that gear icon in the top right to access your account settings. From here swipe down and tap into navigation menu, and here guys make sure that here at the top the task count is visible in the navigation menu. So switch it on if you accidentally turned it off. And also guys, make sure that the completed section is selected here as a menu item. You can of course hide all of these if you like from your navigation menu, but that should usually fix it guys. Please let us know in the comments down below if it did for you. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.